हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम मैथ्स की क्लास 9th की न्यू बुक स्टार्ट कर रही है। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद एक्सरसाइज 1.1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आइडेंटिफाई फॉलोइंग एज अ रैशनल और इरैशनल नंबर। 2.353535 एंड 0.6 रैशनल नंबर्स हैं क्योंकि ये दोनों टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल नंबर्स हैं, और 2.236067 एंड स्क्वायर रूट 7 इरैशनल नंबर्स हैं क्योंकि ये दोनों नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल नंबर्स हैं। Students, you know, a and pi are also irrational numbers because इनकी values non-terminating है। 5 plus square root 11 and square root 3 plus square root 13 are both considered irrational. 15 by 4 is rational because it's equal to 3.75, which is terminating. 2 minus square root 2 into 2 plus square root 2 rational है because इसका solution 2 terminating है। Now, let's have a quick overview of our basic key concepts. Rational numbers. The set of rational numbers is defined as q, which is equal to p by q, where p and q are integers, and q is not equal to 0. Irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers, q slash, contains those elements which cannot be expressed as quotient of integers. Now, move to question number 2. Represent the following numbers on the number line. First is square root of 2. Square root 2 is equal to 1.4. To represent it on a number line, place an arrow between 1 and 2, 4 points after 1. Square root of 3, which is equal to 1.7, can be plotted on the number line between 1 and 2 at 7th point after 1. Now, 4 whole 1 by 3, it is a mixed fraction. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, add 1 in it, then it becomes 13 by 3. जो 4.3 की equal है. To represent it on number line, place an arrow between 4 and 5 and write it at third point. Now, move to sum 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 7, ये भी mixed fraction है. इसकी simple form minus 15 by 7 है, which is equal to minus 2.1. For this, place an arrow between minus 2 and minus 3 and plot at first point. For sum 5, which is 5 by 8, it is equal to 0.6. Place arrow between 0 and 1, then plot it on 6th point. Lastly, sum 6, 2 whole 3 by 4, इसको simple fraction में convert करना है. 11 by 4 equals 2.7. Place it at 7th point between 2 and 3. Students, अब हम question 3 solve करेंगे. Express the following as a rational number, p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Sum 1, 0.4 bars. Here, bar on 4 means, it can be written repeatedly. Assume, 0.44 equals x, दोनों sides को 10 से multiply करना है. It becomes, 10x equals, 4.4. Subtract equation b from a, फिर हमारे पास 9x equals 4 रह जाएगा. 9 को other side पे divide कर देंगे, and we got the answer. Now, sum 2, 0.37 bars, assume it equals x, multiply both sides by 100, then subtract both the equations and we got the answer. Now, move to the next and last sum of today's video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करती जाएं. 0.21 bar. Assume it equals x, multiply both sides by 100, then subtract both the equations and we got the answer.